Motorcycle Eurotrip update. My parents are currently road tripping through Europe, and today they have made it to Satteldorf, Germany. They traveled 412 kilometers, which is a little over 300 miles today. And this is a picture from their porch this morning in Siberia, Germany. And the only place that they stopped at was the town of Braunlage, which they didn't send a lot of pictures of. And this is where they're staying today. Another beautiful video from my dad.
Niin, se on meidän eläminen. Oi, tere Mitt!
Tere kaupunkilaisia!
Niin, pisikkä me esittää. Ja sitten edasi läheb... Ja siin on täis luksus, omaette baar, mida iganes. Nii, suur elutuba, koos kaminaga. Telekas on piisavalt suur. Siit läheb meile õue. Omaette suitsu jälle korgakene. Euroalustest kokku kloksitud, väga stiilne. Nii, ja siit on siis see kööginurgakene, nüüd praegu kõik tutvuvad sellega. Nii, ja edasi on magamistoad. Üks magamistuba. Nii. Teine magamistuba. Nii, ja kõige lisaks vanni ja dušiga ühes nurgakene. Äge!
They found this place on booking.com as a half of a private house. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like totally living for these updates from my parents, and I can't wait to see what they send me tomorrow. Also, I can't imagine being on a motorcycle for that many hours every single day. My parents are the coolest, I swear.